Hello my Avi Kingdom, welcome back to my channel. It's Avakin here, and today I have a double whammy. So this is the second video that's going up, and it's going to be showing how to ice skate like a pro. So to demonstrate that, I have my lovely Avi daughter Reggie here and my Avi wife Anna, and we're gonna jump right into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already changed because the ice is cold and ain't nobody trying to mess with that. So we're gonna go ahead and go out onto the ice. Make sure you're nice and zoomed out, because if you try to do this while you're zoomed in, you'll find that it's pretty hard. As you can see, looking around, either lots of people just kind of stand there, or they do dances or poses, which is fine, you know, if you want something that's like completely 100% fluent and everything. But if you want to move around, that's where it gets a little bit tricky. So to help moving a little bit more gracefully, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little tutorial about it. So first thing you're gonna do, like I said, is just zoom out. And as you can see, you can do little circles counterclockwise or clockwise. And I've gotten up to about 22 spins, I think was my last count, in a row. Like I said, I've been practicing for this video, guys. I wanted to make sure I did it right for you. So right here we have like a little figure 8, and that's like relatively simple. And basically how you achieve that is just kind of tapping repetitively. If you're going on like a lower Wi-Fi, it may glitch a little bit, but for the most part you can make turns seamlessly, and you look really snazzy doing it. So I thought it'd be like a little nice way to be able to still skate around and have fun and still look good at the same time. And I'm loving all these outfits here, you guys. Everybody is in the holiday season. I love the goth Christmas. That's awesome. Everybody here is looking so extravagant, so awesome and amazing. And with that said, I think that's about it for the video, guys. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this video helps you guys out. If it did help you out at all, give me a like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm always open for ideas. And with that being said, stay golden, my Avakin Kingdom, and happy holidays.